How to create your own Kahoot quiz game 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create your own Kahoot quiz game 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just search Kahoot and then enter this first link. So now after you enter it, what you need to do next is to sign up. So click on sign up right here. And then in here, you can just choose your account type. So for example, we are a teacher or a professional or personal. So for me, I will choose it to be personal. And then who will you play Kahoot with? So I will put in here friends and family. So in here, you can just enter your birthday. Let's enter here. Click on continue and then add in a username. After that, click on continue again. And then you can see here the sign in options. So I'll continue with Google. It totally depends on you. And then after that, you will just sign up using that. Click on continue and sign up. And then this will look like this. So just wait for it. And then in here, you can see the plans. So for here, you can just continue for free. So click on that. And then this will show you this page. So what we want to do is just click on this create new Kahoot. And then you can start from a blank canvas or a template. So for me, I will use template right here. Then you can choose anything like this. So it can be guess who, private fun quiz, anything like that. So for me, I will choose this family fun quiz. So I can just add in here a media that I want to add. And then in here, I can add options. So you can just click on it in order to edit it. For example, let's add in juice, for example. So let's add in juice like that. And then you can also add another answer. And then from in here, you can show here. You can just click on this trash icon if you don't want it. And then you can just click on this if you want to replace it. In here, you can also add another question. You can also add another slide. It totally depends on you. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can just answer these things right here, like for the time limit, points, answer option, single select. After that, you can just save it. Now, after you have saved that, you can share it. Just click on this right here. And then you can just type in here the email and username of that person that you want to share this quiz with. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create your own Kahoot quiz game. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.